from a scientific expedition, and we're visiting all different biomes.
Our first biome that we're visiting is a tropical rainforest biome. It's filled with so many insects and creatures, and we'll tell you all insects. The first thing we're going to look at is all the different kinds of trees and organisms and divine types of vines, orchids, and ferns. Now, there are over 300 different types of trees in the tropical rainforest. Isn't that amazing?
It sure is.
Yep. And the tropical rainforest has different layers of its rainforest. The first layer is called the canopy.
Let's get a better look.
Way up there. I'm going to get a better look.
Wow. The bottom or the lower part of the rainforest is called the understory. Here grows lots of vines and orchids and lots of plants.
I know. Now, a lot of plants adapt to their environment because the plants that need darkness, they go down to the understory and grow there. But the plants that need more light grow way up high in the canopy. There are over 2,500 different species of vines living in the rainforest.
That's a lot.
There are also a lot of orchids and ferns that live here too.
Yes. Now, up on the canopy, there's tall, big trees that need a lot of light. But remember, the understory is where the plants that don't really need that much light grow.
Yeah, they need more darkness than light.
We're here to tell you all about the climate here in the rainforest.
Yep, it's hot and humid and moist all year round here. It's not all cold and freezing like the tundras and ice caps are. It gets up to 50 to 260 inches of rainfall a year.
That's nothing like the desert.
I know, isn't that fascinating?
Now we're going to tell you all about the different animals in the rainforest. There's tons of animals. There's even a few endangered species. Now, I'm going to show you one of my animal friends over here. Here's our monkey. He's an orangutan. He's a nice little fella, and he's not going to bite me or anything. But don't go picking up any monkey that you find in the rainforest. Let's put him back. Now, we have a special friend that we brought that's another rainforest creature. Let's take a look.
This is Carter, the albino panther pup. He was specially trained in the zoo, so he's not going to bite you or anything. But he's just a nice little feller, and he's really our friend. Now, in the rainforest, we have very many exotic animals like this snake. In the rainforest, there are many different types of amphibians, too. See, here are some frogs. There are many types of exotic birds. Here's one example. These are the green-cheeked conures. Here in the Amazon rainforest, you can find many kinds of fish like these. These are called the cichlids. Tropical rainforests are really neato. Did you know that they produce 40% of Earth's oxygen because they have so many plants? Wow, that's so cool! And the rainfall is often more than 100 inches a year. That is the coolest thing I've ever heard.
But the rainforest now only covers about 6% of the Earth's surface.
Yeah, so you gotta remember, save the trees.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
About the plants.
Okay, get it out.
Sorry. You make her nervous.
Keep going.
Okay.
Lillian, we have like 20 minutes.
I can't help it. we're gonna look about.